Hello everybody, it is day 13 of Advent, which is a Friday the 13th. So yeah, we're going to open panel 13, which is just over here, and stay tuned for that. Welcome back from the intro. As I said before, it's day 13, so we're going to be opening panel 13, and hopefully it's not Friday the 13th related, because I can't do any Jason Voorhees. So let's open this up here. It's a lady with ice cream. Or it's a girl, a kid girl minifigure. Okay, cool. More and more ice cream. All the ice cream in the world. Every ice cream you could ever imagine. All the ice cream you can imagine, and we'll get them to pay for it. It's gonna be huge. Yeah. Apparently over in the UK, you guys elected British Trump in Parliament, so yeah, my condolences. At least he's not as bad as Trump yet. I mean, I'm Canadian, so I can't complain too much. Thankfully, I have to be careful about what I say here because Dad watches this stuff and he's pretty intense, but at least our political leader over here isn't like a genocidal maniac. So, not to say that Boris, whatever his name is, Johnson, the love child of Donald Trump and Owen Wilson, is that, but rambling and getting off topic here, there is a giant ice cream cone. We can get that close enough. I think I might have put too many things of ice cream on there. It's a little ludicrous. Val's nodding at me like, or shaking her head like there's no such thing as too much ice cream. Which is true until, you know, you eat so much ice cream that you just like die. That's probably too much. Death is the peak. Okay. Can she stand up with this ice cream? Yes, but she has to hold it like she's holding a sword. Ready to swing. So, smite cream. So, yeah. So, cool. I guess it doesn't necessarily have to be a kid minifigure. These could be just short adults. So, they're not that much shorter than like a standard minifigure when you look at it. They're like half a head. The average kid is what, like a head shorter than a adult, so it'd be like that. You'd have to make like a whole new body for like a kid minifigure if you were to do that though. So if you don't know what I'm talking about with heads, look up drawing tutorials on this YouTube thing that you're on and you'll see what I'm talking about. Usually with like proportions, it's based off of like heads. So yeah. Could be her daughter, could be her shorter sister, could be just some random person who's unrelated altogether. Do Lego people have families? Let us know in the comments below. Yeah, so thanks for watching. I hope you had a great time with this video. I know I did. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. If you like this series, also give us a thumbs up. That's always appreciated. We're looking into doing more stuff like this in the future to kind of have like a regular stream of content. And on the topic of content, please subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And so you know, we're uploading these every day of Advent up to the 24th, Christmas Eve. And we also are doing our regular content on Mondays and bonus content on Thursdays. And as you might have heard in our last video, We have a lot of those set up early as premieres so that we don't have to worry about sketchy internet while we're traveling for Christmas. And yeah, if you haven't rung the bell, please ring that bell so you get notified when our content goes live or is uploaded. And yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day and happy holidays and Merry Christmas. Oh, and happy Friday the 13th.